Facebook login. Facebook account login help. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily log into your Facebook account, whether you're using your mobile or desktop. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your browser and go to www.facebook.com. Now, once you're on the Facebook homepage, you'll see the login button. Tap on it. Now, here you need to enter your email, mobile number, and password. Simply enter your login credentials. This includes your registered email address, phone number, and password. Make sure to double check the email or phone number and password, as a simple typo can cause issues when logging in. Now, if you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Just click on the forgot password link, enter your email number, and Facebook will send you a password reset link to your inbox via SMS. Now, if you've signed up using Facebook, your Google or Apple ID, you can also do that. Simply click on it and click on login. And that's it. That's how you can successfully log into your Facebook account.